Perform hand hygiene before putting on mask. Make sure the metallic strip is facing upwards. Placing elastic ear loops around ears. Fix the metallic strips securely over the nose, mouth, and stretch gently over the chin and fit snugly over the face. Change mask every 4 hours or if it becomes moist or damaged. Do not hang the mask beneath the chin area. Instead of touching the mask, grasp the elastic of the mask, carefully removing the mask without touching the front of the mask. Discard the mask in the waste container. Performs hand hygiene after removal of mask.